Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Range Rover Vogue. So from any screen, you see here you've got on-road navigation, destination entry. So that's the quick way from the home menu. Other way is nav and then destination entry. It's a real good system in the Range Rover. Postcode. Now we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. So it's defaulted to numbers there, not all of them do that. So that's PR54JS, and it's gone back to letters. Again, not all of them do that. So that's an extra 2 moves, and sometimes even with only 2 numbers in the postcode, in some other systems, you have to put a dash in the middle or a space or whatever, but not with the Range Rover. Just click OK, and then click Go. That's it, same destinations nearby. Well, it is nearby, we're sat on the forecourt here. So that's how you do that.